Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw the funny and adorable Zenitsu, but in a retro cartoon style full of personality. So grab your materials and let's get started. Zenitsu was trained by the former Thunder Hashira, Jigoro Kuwajima, the mentor who passed down the thunder breathing style to him. Even though he acts terrified most of the time, Zenitsu is a naturally gifted fighter who learns techniques incredibly fast. His thunder breathing style is inspired by the explosive speed and sharp intensity of lightning strikes. Zenitsu only mastered the first form of thunder breathing, but he perfected it so well that it became overwhelmingly powerful. His true strength emerges when he's unconscious or pushed beyond fear. That's when his instincts take over. His signature yellow-orange hair comes from being struck by lightning during training, giving him his iconic look. Zenitsu's yellow haori with white triangles has become one of the most recognizable patterns in the entire series. Despite his fearfulness, Zenitsu has a strong sense of justice and will risk everything to protect the people he cares about. Demon Slayer is widely praised for its stunning animation, especially the beautifully animated breathing techniques. The story blends traditional Japanese elements with themes of perseverance, friendship, and inner struggle, perfectly reflecting Zenitsu's growth throughout the series. If this Cuphead version of Zenitsu made you smile, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next, and in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? And here's our Zenitsu, funny, cute, and full of charm in his retro cartoon style. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.